Camel Pose or Ushtrasana. Its name comes from the Sanskrit words Ushtra, meaning camel, and Asana, meaning pose. Practicing Ushtrasana daily can be a great way to relieve neck and back pain caused by slouching in front of a computer or driving. It is a back bend that stretches the whole front of the body. It stretches the quadriceps and deep hip flexor as well. It is performed on the knees and is often used as a preparation for deeper back bends. Begin by kneeling upright with your knees hip distance apart. Rotate your thighs inward and press your shins and the tops of your feet into the floor. Do not squeeze your buttocks. Rest your hands on the back of your pelvis with your fingers pointing to the floor. Lengthen your tailbone down toward the floor and widen the back of your pelvis. Then place your hands at your lower back. This gives a better support on the lower back as you lean back. Inhale, lean back with your chin pointing towards the ceiling or slightly tucked towards the chest. Beginners can stay here, keeping their hands at the hips or at the lower back. If you are comfortable here, you can take the pose even deeper. Reach back and hold onto each heel. Your palms should rest on your heels with the fingers pointing outward and your thumb inward. Keep your thighs perpendicular to the floor with your hips directly over your knees. If it is difficult to grasp your heels without feeling compression in your lower back, you can rest your hands on yoga blocks placed to the outside of each foot. Breathe while holding the pose. The head lean back slightly without straining or crunching the neck. The legs are hugging into midline. Lift up through your pelvis, keeping your lower spine long. The arms are turned outward without squeezing the shoulder blades. To release, bring your hands back to your hips or at the lower back. Inhale, lead with your heart and lift your torso by pushing your hips down toward the heels. Your head should be the last to come up. Ushtrasana can also be practiced starting from the hands at the heels. With an inhalation, expand the chest and roll the shoulders to the back. Exhale, raise the hips and lean the hips on top of the knees. To release, exhale. Body weight is shifting towards the hands, the hips and the spine, leaning back onto the heels, and the head is the last to lift. This is the back view of Ushtrasana with the toes pointed. Inhale, roll the shoulders to the back, place the hands at the base of your feet, and push your hips forward until the hips stacking on top of the knees.